All right, so the reason there's no back window right here is because the truck that this cab and box came off of, the frame was rotted right about here, so it kinked in half, and the back rack that was on it hit the window and smashed the window out. So I bought the truck cheap for a donor truck, and yeah, so now we gotta put a back window in it. So I bought a back window. See if I can do this without cutting my fingers to shards with glass. Oh, yeah, there we go. So we're gonna put the back window in, and the truck's gonna need a very good cleaning because there's glass everywhere in the back seat. But good thing it's leather seats, so we can wipe it off good. And also the rain that fell on them didn't soak into them as much. And hopefully we don't find like moldy floor or something, because it sat outside for a couple months in the summer. Thankfully it didn't rain that much, but it did still get rain in it, I know for sure. I know I had some cardboard sitting over top of it to make it drain out, but that's not perfect either. So we're gonna cut the urethane out with a boxing knife. And then go back and cut it nice and smooth with a razor blade. And then we're gonna put some fast dry windshield urethane on the window and put the window in. So I just cut my finger, so we just sprayed some brake cleans on here. We're gonna get this as clean as we can. And then we'll have to urethane the new window in.
Josh has the urine thing. What is it?
Urethane. We're gonna go urethane the back window in. Don't do this yourself. This is not worth the effort. That was pretty quick and easy, and it costed me $100, and that was with the window delivered to my work. That's perfect.